Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix Line app backup and restore. So in order to backup your Line chats or and then restore it, first of all you have to enable backup. Only then you'll be able to restore it. So here's what you need to do. Open up your Line application, log into your account. Once logged in, you then need to go ahead and select your settings from the home page and click open the backup and transfer section. When you click open the backup and transfer restore chat history, then you want to tap on backup to Google Drive or backup now. If prompted, you could set a backup pin. You can enable auto backup by tapping backup now often and turning the feature on, and that's how you should be able to backup and restore your Line application onto your device. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.